Hi everybody. We have another winner at CSI. We're going to have one more big winner on Christmas Day, and we've got some really cool stuff coming up, but this winner is going to be all about the new double-sided pad, and his name is Jimmy. He's a person that signed up on our website, and that's all you have to do. You don't have to buy anything. You just have to sign up on the website and, be part of the team, be part of the CSI team. Now, what Jimmy is going to win is our brand new double-sided pad, foam on one side, wool on the other side. It comes with the disconnect that you need for your buffer, and it fits any American threaded rotary polisher. Then it comes with our latest and greatest polish, which is the XX polish, a lot like the original Ceram X polish, but with more cutting ability and the exact same finishing ability. So you only need one single product to remove any color sanding scratch with a wool pad. Then you use a rotary with the same product to a zero swirl mark finish. Completely deliverable. Wash it off with soap and water, wipe it down with Prep-Sol, and there is no swirl marks. Zero. We guarantee that with all the CSI products. Then the last product that he's going to receive in this kit is Q7 Detailer. This product's been around for a long time. You can use it on the interior, the exterior. You can use it on glass to completely put an anti-static finish down. So if you're in a body shop and you just want to deliver a car, most of the time you're not getting paid to wax the car, but you want to put some protection down on the car, and you want to leave a finish that's non-greasy and anti-static. And what I mean by anti-static is if you put it on the top of the dashboard and you close the car up, you say it's sitting around for a couple hours before the customer gets there, the non-static properties of this product keeps the dust from sticking up on the dash. So if you've ever used greasy products on the dashboard and you wipe it all down, you make it look nice and shiny, then you close up the doors and you notice that when you go to deliver the car, there's a lot of dust stuck to the dash. Those are not anti-static. So we built anti-static properties into this, and we wanted it to be a great quick detailer. We wanted it to have some protective value, and we wanted it to work on all surfaces. So because it's non-greasy, it works great on glass too. So this is the complete kit that Jimmy's gonna get. XX, our double-sided pad, really neat. The adapter, and Q7 Detailer. All of these products are available up on our website. And stay tuned, on Christmas Day, we're gonna have a really neat giveaway. So continue to sign up on the CSI Shine website and be part of the CSI team. If you've got any questions, email me, text me, let me know your story. My phone number is 714-906-6619. I'm a body shop person. Been in it my whole life, love the trade, probably kept me out of a lot of trouble, just focusing on something that, was very difficult when I started, just trying to perfect every facet of the trade, from metal finishing to lead work to painting, and yes, buffing cars. This was a serious problem for me when I was a kid. And that goes back a long ways. But today, this polishing process has become much easier because of the invention of single product polishing. And I'm happy to say we started it. We started single product polishing. And you will see so many people jumping on the wagon now, which is great. It's awesome. There's a big market out there, and we say at CSI, get rid of compound. You don't need compound anymore. If you're doing polishing with more than one product, you're wasting money and wasting time. This product will take out any color sanding grit scratch as long as you have enough paint on the surface and take it to an absolute perfect finish with one single product. So thanks again, everybody. Merry, Merry Christmas, and stay tuned. Christmas Day, big, big giveaway on Christmas Day. And the only way that you can really get involved in that is by signing up, subscribing at our website, CSIshine.com. All right. Thanks again, everybody. Bye.